Hello, students. I hope you understood the rules regarding narration, direct or indirect speech. So, today we will read the change of tenses in reported speech. The rules here are the rules for the changes of tenses in the reported speech, and if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, the tense of reported speech is not changed. Reporting verb क्या है बेटा इसमें? That is the reporting verb and that is the reported speech. Okay. So if the reported verb is in present tense or future tense, then tense of reported speech will not change. Okay, so how will we practice it? So first example is Naresh says comma inverted comma star Ram is happy inverted comma clause full stop. So when we change the narration direct speech into indirect speech, so what will the changes here? So Naresh says, as it is, Naresh says that is the conjunction that will connect reporting verb and reported speech. Okay, Naresh says that Ram is happy. Inverted commas are removed in the indirect speech, as I already told you. So direct speech is the reported verb is in simple present. So, reported speech, in indirect speech, reported speech, there will be no changes. That is not changed. Okay. So, Naresh says that Ram is happy. Okay, as it is. डायरेक्ट स्पीच फ्यूचर टेंस का कैसे होगा बेटा? ही विल से कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा स्टार्ट आई रिच देयर इन टाइम इन्वर्टेड कॉमा क्लोज फुल स्टॉप. Indirect, when we change the direct into indirect narration, so he will say as it is reported verb, he will say that is in future tense, so it will remain the same. He will say that the conjunction that he reached, the actual words of speaker, he will say I reached there in time. So when we change into indirect, he will say that he reached there in time. Okay, so if the reporting verb is in past tense, then tense of the reporting verb is in reported speech changes as under. Okay, so how will it change? So simple present change into simple past, play first form, that is change into second form in when we change into indirect. Okay, simple present change is changed into simple past. Present progressive is playing is changed into past progressive was playing. And third, present perfect has played have played, so it will be changed into had played. Had plus verb की third form past perfect. And fourth, simple past played, it will change into past perfect. Had plus verb की third form. Okay, present perfect is also changed into past perfect and simple past is changed also into past perfect. Okay, and past progressive was playing is changed into past perfect progressive. Had been verb की first form plus ing, had been playing. Past perfect had written, no change, as I already told you in class. Past perfect and past perfect progressive tense, there will be no change in the direct speech. Past perfect had written, no change, had written as it is. And past perfect progressive had been writing, had been plus verb की first form plus ing, no change as it is, had been writing. Okay. And one more thing that is the most important, if the direct speech expresses a universal truth, habitual fact, the tense of verb does not change. Okay, he said the sun sets in the west. That is the universal truth. The sun set is in sun sets in the west. So when we change the direct into indirect, he said as it is, comma inverted commas are removed. That conjunction is added here, and he said that the sun sets in the west. As it is direct, Satish said, "I am a late riser." Habitual fact that I am a late riser. Indirect sentence, indirect speech. Satish said that he, that is according to change according to subject, he is a late writer. He is a late riser. She said God is present everywhere. That is the universal truth. God is present everywhere. She said that God is present everywhere. Okay. So in indirect speech, inverted commas are removed and that conjunction is added in every indirect speech. And one more important thing, that Hari said to me he was busy, so he did not talk to anyone. If there are two clauses that in the reported speech and both of them are in past tense, then the tense of the verb does not change. Okay, so first example is Hari said to me he was busy, so he did not talk to anyone. Okay, so if there are two clauses, he was busy, so he did not talk to anyone, and both in the past tense, then the tense of verb does not change. Hari told me, when we change into indirect, Hari told me that he was busy, so he did not talk to anyone. Then there will be no change when two clauses are in past tense, then there will be no change in reporting speech. Okay, I hope you are understanding, dear students. So you have to read the rules regarding direct or indirect speech and try to solve the exercises. Okay, thank you.